What's up, guys? This is Gabe from SNP Pit Innovations, and today we're excited to bring you some new news. This is pretty exciting for us. We've reached our first level of monetization with YouTube. Couldn't have done it without John here. So, what's up, John? How you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
I'm good. John's usually better behind the camera than he is in front of the camera, but today, since I don't have all the knowledge and experience on this part of it, I'm going to ask John some questions, and he's going to tell us how this helps benefit you guys. So, what this does is this reaches us to a certain level where we can have membership areas, right?
Yes, sir.
So, how does a membership area work? How many levels do we have?
Right now we have three levels.
Okay.
Level one, which is Pit Crew. Level two, which is standard, and level three, which is premium.
Okay. So, the pit crew is the level one, and then we have the mechanic, which is the standard.
Yes.
That's a level two. And then we have the tuner premium one, right? Level three.
Yep.
What does number one give us? What does that do?
You get everything you would want for the lowest tier. You get early access to videos up to a week early. Sometimes I slack and it's 2 days early. You get emojis, priority comment, reply.
And if you're not a member, then you don't have the option to reply. How does that work?
It's for the comment
For
sections.
comment
Yeah,
sections?
just
Okay.
on the regular videos.
Okay, okay. On regular videos.
Yes.
Okay. Can a non-member still comment on our regular videos?
Yes.
Okay, okay. All right. So that's pretty cool. You get loyalty badge and emojis and stuff like that. So that's pretty neat.
I do have to work on more emojis though.
And then touching base back on what you were saying as far as the you get the you get to preview the videos before they're released. And you were talking about your timeline. Sometimes it's a couple days before, sometimes it can be a week before. What we try to do is we try to preload videos as much as we can. Sometimes we'll spend a day, sometimes it'll be a Saturday, sometimes it'll be a weekday. And we'll just try to get a bunch of product videos and try to do as much content as you can. And John here will do a bunch of editing and try to get these all lined up so that we can be set up for sometimes weeks in advance, and they'll get them preloaded onto YouTube. So he does all the editing, all the cutting, everything is done. I look at it, if I approve it, then he uploads it onto YouTube. If you are a pit crew member or a mechanic member or the tuner premium, you'll be able to see these videos pretty much as soon as they're uploaded, right?
Yeah.
And that could be days before they're premiered or even weeks before they're premiered. So that's pretty cool. And sometimes we're last minute trying to get this video done. It's been a long video. We have a deadline we're trying to make. Sometimes it's only a couple days before the premiere, but either way, that's pretty cool. It gives us the members the possibility of seeing it earlier. So that's cool. All right, so let's go into the mechanic, the standard. And the pit crew, I believe, is 99 cents.
Yes.
And then the standard is $1.99 and a premium is $6.99. But this is all new to us. We've never done this before. I've never done this before. And John's got some history, some YouTube stuff back in the day, mostly video game stuff. But
Yeah.
yeah, as you can see some of our earlier videos, you can definitely see some of that in there. But um, we're still growing. We're still learning how to make this happen to where our members can actually benefit the most. That's the most important thing is how can we get our followers and subscribers and our members to benefit the most. So let's talk about the stage, the level two, the mechanic version. Um, what's involved in that? So it says something about members, polls, only polls. Um, what's involved in that package there?
So if we want to do an example would be for the 81,
Yellow truck,
the
okay.
yellow truck. We're debating on putting that
600 horsepower 5EZ.
the 5EZ behind
Turbo one right
us.
there. Yep.
Or we could put up a poll and we can say, can either put that engine in or
Something else like a 1UZ or a
1UZ.
2UZ or
And
Do we
LS.
supercharge it? Do we turbo it? Do we do something different? Or an A5EZ and just go have some fun, you know?
Mhm.
Okay, that's cool.
And only the members can
Be
select
a
the
part of
names.
that poll.
Yes.
Okay, okay. And then what about the member only shout outs? What's involved with that?
If I'm not mistaken, that's if we do a live stream, they can have like an intro music come on, or we can do shout outs in each video. At the end of each video, be like, thank you for Michael Jackson for becoming a member, uh level 2 member.
I like little Michael.
Like
Okay,
that.
so that's pretty cool. And then this is members only shorts. What is that about?
So we post 2 shorts per day,
Mhm.
but if we get more members in the level 2 stage, we can do member only shorts, so kind of like behind the scenes shorts.
Hmm.
We could do that. We can
Okay. Okay, so let's move on to the level 3, the tuner, the premium. First thing I want to say is if you're a pit crew member, that gives you all the basic stuff that we talked about earlier. If you're a mechanic or a premium, the tuner premium, you still get, even though it's a higher level, you
mhm.
still get all the benefits of the lower levels below you, right?
Yep.
So if you're a mechanic, which is the standard, you still get all of the pit crew, the basic stuff, right? And if you are the tuner premium, you still get the mechanic and the pit crew,
Yep.
right? Okay, so these are just additionals
Yeah.
here.
Just additionals.
That's awesome. I like that. Okay, so this what's that give you? Discounts on merch, all right? Which we're not quite there yet, but I think we're gonna work on some t-shirts for you guys. And if there's anything else you guys would like to do the merch on and stuff like that, we'll start off with shirts like this and try to do some awesome stuff for you guys from then on out. If you guys anything you want to see for merchandise, please drop it in the comments. We'll work on that. We're still a growing business and very short staffed and spread very thin, but we'll do our best. What else we got? Members live stream. What is that about?
If we're doing like a shop day, we're just cleaning up or working on a car, we
Okay.
could start up a live stream
Ooh.
and we can just do member only live stream.
Okay.
That's pretty much that.
You know, when we do actually fire up my 240 right here, that'd be cool.
For member only live stream, that'll be sick.
That'd be cool. That for the first startup, do a
Yes.
live one on it. That'd be cool. Okay, what else comes with this? Exclusive videos behind the scenes. Is
Yep.
this different than the mechanic version?
Yes. The mechanic version, which is the level 2, is member only shorts. Now for the premium, the tuner edition, that would be long form videos. So if we turn that member only live stream of the first startup, we can turn
Uh-huh.
that into a member only video
Oh,
afterwards.
so after it was a live stream, it can become its own video.
Yep.
Oh, nice. And that would be only available to the tuner premium
Yep.
guys. Okay. Then that would be like behind the scenes stuff like that, exclusive videos behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Okay. Perks from previous levels. Okay. Is there anything else you want to add to that one?
Not entirely right now, but later down the line we can always update some stuff
Okay.
depending on what people
Make some changes and stuff.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, like I said, we're growing, so we're always willing to add some more stuff. If you guys have any great ideas, please throw it out there as new. Trying to bring as much to you guys as possible. Okay, tell us about the badges and how that works.
When you become a member for the first time, it'll be the red logo.
Mm-hmm.
And then month 1, it'll be a blue version of the logo. And I think 2 months would be the green logo. And it jumps to 6 months, and that'll be a purple logo.
Okay.
It just means how long you've been membered up, and you can show it off with
Okay.
the color of the logo.
Maybe we can do a gold one after a year or something like that,
That's the plan.
Okay, that'd be cool. John, thank you for everything you've done. Thank you for everything that you've done with the YouTube channel, all the videos. I want to personally thank you for all of your hard work and dedication to help grow the channel, to help do all the videos, to the editing. I know sometimes you go back and forth on your videos. You have a certain particular style. I have a vision, and sometimes we meet in the middle and we end up with what we want. So I want to personally thank you for everything that you've done. Thank you very much.
Mhm.
And I look forward to growing this and getting some awesome videos out there. So
Oh yeah.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Don't forget to do all the stalker stuff. Like, subscribe, follow, check out the member stuff. If it works, if it works for you, cool. If not, don't stress on it. If you guys like to subscribe, but you don't like the notifications, don't have to ring that bell. That's okay. But the subscribers help. Thank you guys for thank you all for everything that you've done. We appreciate every single one of you guys, and I hope to bring more awesome content to you guys. So until next time, have a great day. Stay tuned. Thanks.